Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 6 winning products that you need to be selling in this summer of 2023. The only thing that's holding you back from achieving some good figures like this, it's just one winning product. That's why I've done my research and handpicked the hottest products to sell so you can maximize your profits. So no more talking, and let's go ahead and jump into the first product. The first one is this water gun. The water gun is a fun and thrilling toy that brings joy and excitement to kids and even adults on hot summer days. It's designed to shoot streams of water, providing endless entertainment for water fights, pool parties, and outdoor activities. As the summer approaches, the demand for water toys and outdoor activities skyrocket. You can find this product on AliExpress with a cheap price of $4.74 and with a completely free shipping. And on the seller's website, they have priced it on sale for $34.99, so you're going to look at a great profit margin of $30.25. Product number 2 is this portable neck fan. This innovative device is designed to be worn around your neck, providing a hands-free and personal cooling experience. And I think for this summer, this product is going to be game changer. A lot of people need a cool breeze for those hot summer days. And now this product is going crazy on TikTok, with videos getting thousands of views every single day. You can find this product on AliExpress with a cheap price of $2.06 and with a completely free shipping. When it comes to the price, this website priced it at $34.99, so you're going to look at a great profit margin of $32.93. Our next product is a finger ring remote. The finger ring remote is a cutting-edge device that revolutionizes the way we control your phone. This compact remote control fits snugly on your finger, allowing you to sift through TikTok instead of reaching for your phone to swipe. You can tap a button on your finger. The finger ring remote has become increasingly popular on TikTok and other social media platforms. This particular video has generated 7 million views and 166,600 likes. The product on AliExpress, it's priced at $2.32 and shipping is going to set you back with $1.54. To give you an idea on what you might price this product, I found this website selling it for $12.42. After all, you're going to look at a good profit margin of $8.56. Product number 4 is this portable CarPlay. The website for this product, they are selling it for $169. And I found this product on AliExpress for $25.42 and with a completely free shipping. After all, you are going to look at an extraordinary profit margin of $143.58. So if you're looking to get rich through dropshipping but you haven't found a winning product, for me this is definitely one to consider. Product number 5, we have this Magic Fire Wallet. The Magic Fire Wallet is a unique and captivating accessory that combines practicality with a touch of magic. On the surface, it appears to be an ordinary wallet, but with a simple flick, it transforms into a spectacle of fire. This eye-catching wallet is perfect for performers, magic enthusiasts, or anyone who wants to add a bit of flair to their daily routine. While searching on AliExpress, I found this product with a good price of $7.45 and with a free shipping. The website selling this product has it priced at $26, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $18.55. On the last product, we have this mini electric cooker. The mini electric cooker is a compact and portable cooking device that brings convenience and efficiency to your kitchen, or you can use it to cook while sitting on your bed watching your favorite show. This product has become a TikTok sensation, with viral videos showcasing its versatility and mouth-watering meals. Users are captivated by its convenience and have shared their cooking experiments and got millions of views. You can find this product on AliExpress for $9.83 and with a free shipping. When it comes to the selling price, I recommend offering the mini electric cooker for $49.99. This price allows for a great profit margin of $40.16 per unit. And that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with our latest videos, and see you in the next one.